Pero ang tao sa kanyang spiritual na kalagayan, he is already leaning toward darkness, wickedness, evil deeds. Kaya huwag magtataka ang mga magulang sa pagpapalaki nyo ng inyong sanggol, ng inyong anak. Hindi nyo tinuruang magsinungaling, natututong magsinungaling. Hindi nyo tinuruang magnakaw, nangungupit. Turn your Bibles in these following verses. John 8:34, Jesus answered, "Truly, truly, I say to you, everyone who practices sin is a slave to sin." Romans 6, verse 6. Romans chapter 6, verse 6. We know that our old self was crucified with Him in order that our body of sin might be brought to nothing, so that we could no longer be enslaved to sin. And chapter 6 pa rin, verse 17, "But thanks be to God that you were once slave of sin, has become obedient from the heart of the standard of teaching to which you were committed." Ano ang kanilang kalagayan dati nung hindi pa sila mananampalataya? They were slave to sin.